Hey guys, have you ever lusted after owning your very own Land Cruiser? You know, this is the go-to overland vehicle. Isn't that right, Andre?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah. Well, there's a little downside to owning Land Cruisers, and that is they're obviously built to last. I mean, this one has 150,000 miles on it, and it's just getting broken in. But when things break, it gets a little expensive, and by little, I mean crazy expensive. So what happened was somebody, you can show them right here, hit the mirror. And the whole mirror mechanism would start to shake. So it would just move back and forth, move back and forth. So every time I drove, out of the corner of my eye, I would see movement because this part was always moving back and forth. And it got really annoying. So I brought it to our man Charlie here at Charlie's Garage because he does all of our Toyota work. And I said, Charlie, can you get me a new driver's side external mirror? He said, no problem. Get a phone call later. He said, you know, those things are hard to find. And this is a 200 series. It's actually the current Land Cruiser. And I said, well, find one. He did. It finally came in. So, Andre, how much do you think this part cost?
What, 200 bucks?
No, keep going.
300.
Keep going.
400.
No, keep going.
Wait, 500.
I'll tell you, the work to replace it, to replace this mechanism, was $54.
Oh, okay, so 650.
$800, Andre.
What?
This costs $800 on a Land Cruiser. Toyota figures if you got enough money to buy a Land Cruiser, you got enough money to spend $800 on this assembly right here. Isn't that crazy?
It is totally crazy.
So guys, if you're chosen for a Land Cruiser, they're expensive, and yeah, the parts are even more expensive. And Charlie was kind enough to actually remove this mirror, which wasn't a part that was broken, but at least he gave it to us in case we break. Whoa, I almost broke it. In case we break the mirror, we won't have to spend, you know, God knows how much this costs for the Land Cruiser. Yeah, it's yeah. Well, good thing we're doing a series on this coming up very soon, Andre. We're doing a series called the TFL Pro. We're going to turn this into a Land Cruiser as if it was a Toyota TRD Pro Land Cruiser, but we're calling it the TFL Pro, so stay tuned for that.
Because Toyota doesn't do one, and we will, right?
We will. See you guys later. Ciao. $800, Andre! That's crazy!